Hi everyone, my name is Anna Burns and I am an academic coach here at the Dennis Learning Center, and today I'm going to take you guys through how to make a homework spreadsheet. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google browser and you're going to go here and then to your drive. Once you get to your drive, you're going to press new and you're going to press sheets. Once you have your untitled spreadsheet, you can name it, I just named mine due dates. And then once you're here, you're going to adjust the columns. You're going to put the date, time, the assignment name, or assignment type, assignment name, and then you're going to put if it's done or not. I would also put time due here. So what this is going to do is it's going to have your date of your assignment, time it's due, usually make that a little smaller. You're going to have your assignment type, the assignment name, and then, of course, if it's done or not. So I usually center align all of these, and I usually bold here, and then I color it gray, usually like that kind of gray. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your syllabus, wherever your syllabus may be, and you're just going to start writing in due dates. So for example, I'll put in a fake class name. So you're going to start, let's say it's the beginning of spring semester and your first assignment is due on January 1st. You're going to type the full name, and you have to have this format so then it carries down. And obviously, like, this is just, I'm just dragging it down for this video, but you would change the dates whenever they're due. So let's say one class has the 1st, the 8th, the 15th, and the 22nd. And then let's say the next class has the 29th, the 31st, get into February a little bit. And I'll just keep it short for the purposes of the video. Oh, oops, my bad. Where is the clear? There we go. And then you're going to put the time due. So I feel like most assignments are due at 12 a.m., but you're occasionally going to have some that are due at 2 a.m. or 5 a.m. And you have to type the number. So let's say 4 p.m. You have to put 4 and then p.m. and then hit enter, and it automatically makes the time a certain way, and so then it's able to sort it at the end. So let's say we drag this down. Not everything's going to be due, like I said, at 12 a.m. Some stuff's going to be due at 12 a.m., but again, just put in your random dates, random times for your assignments. And then I always say to students to put in the due dates of your lecture videos. So, for example, you can put lecture videos, if you have any readings for the class, and then it would be like chapter 1, and then readings chapter 1, and you would just keep doing that. So like lecture videos, if it's just an assignment, then just put assignment, or if it's homework, Another example would be exam. I usually make those big, maybe midterm. And then once you fill that all out and you have your assignment name, so say like chapter 2, just keep going down. Homework, readings, and then here you're going to put insert checkbox, and you're going to drag it down to however many columns you have. And for me personally, I always color them like one way or another. So for 1 week I have, blue, and the next week, when it turns to next week, I'll have red or something, and then I keep alternating so I know how many assignments I pretty much have to get done in a week, and I usually do like Sunday to Sunday. So once you're done filling this out, you're going to color your classes. So first, I usually pick like maybe orange. Say you have 2 classes to put in. Usually you're going to have more. Orange and red. And usually over here I like to put a little key. Make that bold, gray it, and I'll put like my classes. So finance 4500, and I'll make it orange. And then operations 3200, and make that red. Anyways, once you're done with all of that and you have all of your classes, then you'll probably have 5. You'll probably have like around that on the key. You're going to click here, but you're not going to drag the blue circle. You're going to drag just like in the middle of the box so it doesn't mess up the date, time, the very first row. And you're going to go to data. You're going to go to sort range, and you're going to do advanced sorting range options. Then you're going to add another sort column, and what this does is it sorts column A by the due date, and then it sorts by the time, so everything's going to be in a list all the way down to the end of the semester. And you want to keep it A to Z, and then press sort, and pretty much our dates are in order. So if they weren't, like let's say this was January 8th, this was February 20th. Let's mix up these days a little bit. So now if I do it again, you're going to go to data, sort range, advanced sorting range options, add another sort column, sort, and it'll automatically sort it like you see here. Now, then usually once you sort it, then do the color check boxes, but at the end it should look something like this. I'll give you my fall 2024 one. As you can see here, I have the due dates, time due, assignment type, assignment name, and if it's completed or not, and then my key over here. And I pretty much did the same thing with all these different colors and went all the way down until the end. And I usually like to do this as soon as the syllabus has come out, because then you can just keep the list. And yeah, that was how to make a homework spreadsheet.